paperwork, and lots of it. Back and forth, manual instructions, order follow-up, and ad hoc reporting. This is what drives much of production. This means lots of inefficiency. Our solution provides overview and planning in real time, along with operator self-service. Ultimately, it's a paperless solution for planning and executing the manufacturing process. Our shop floor solution consists of 3 parts: planning, execution, and data collection. We start in planning by selecting a resource we want to plan. Note that resources can be a single machine, a person, a work group, or a total factory. We can now see an overview of in-process orders on the spot. A search option finds a range of detailed information, including the production order, employees assigned to the job, and the current capacity load. Then we expand one more section. This shows orders that are queuing or waiting. We can also see that an additional section can be opened. These are incoming orders. A date usually determines when an order will be completed. However, the planner can change an order's location in the queue by giving the order priority. The principle is an intuitive, familiar world of everyday situations, such as flight check-in at an airport. Some are being served, others are waiting, and still others will arrive later. They are still on their way. At some point, everyone waits their turn to check in. Their status changes depending on their location in the process. Now we'll go for a tour of the shop floor and see how the job is being done. We see a screenshot similar to the planner's display. The operator has 2 instructions. Click the top row in pending orders and click on the buttons that turn dark blue. The buttons tell us more about the execution of the job: materials, route, drawings, instructions, and comments. Now the operator can start the job as operator, a machine, or both. When the job is finished or paused, information can be entered about the type of finish, quantity, quality, scrap, and more. Actions that operators take are updated immediately on the scheduler screen. The shop floor solution provides valuable here and now order status information with paperless job execution.